Chiang Mai, located in northern Thailand, was founded in 1296 as the capital of the Lanna Kingdom, making it over 700 years old. The city is often referred to as the Rose of the North due to its beautiful mountainous landscape and rich cultural heritage. Chiang Mai is home to over 300 Buddhist temples, with Wat Phra That Doi Suthep being the most famous, perched on a mountain overlooking the city. The Doi Suthep Temple, established in 1383, is a major pilgrimage site for Buddhists and offers stunning views of the surrounding area. The city is known for its traditional handicrafts, including silk weaving, silverwork, and pottery, making it a haven for artisan goods. Chiang Mai hosts the Epeng Lantern Festival, where thousands of colorful lanterns are released into the sky, creating a magical atmosphere. The city's night bazaar is a popular destination for both tourists and locals, offering a wide array of goods, food, and entertainment. Chiang Mai is surrounded by lush mountains and national parks, making it a great destination for outdoor activities like trekking, zip-lining, and mountain biking. The city has a vibrant culinary scene, famous for its khao soi, a coconut curry noodle soup that is a must-try for visitors. Chiang Mai is known for its coffee culture, with numerous cafes serving high-quality brews made from locally grown beans. The city is a center for traditional Thai massage and wellness, with many spas offering authentic treatments that promote relaxation. Chiang Mai's old city is surrounded by remnants of ancient walls and moats, providing a glimpse into its historical significance. The city's Saturday and Sunday walking streets are bustling markets where visitors can find local crafts, street food, and live performances. Chiang Mai is a hub for digital nomads, with many co-working spaces and a growing community of remote workers enjoying the city's lifestyle. The city is also known for its elephants, with ethical sanctuaries like Elephant Nature Park providing a safe haven for rescued elephants. In addition to its temples, Chiang Mai has a rich history reflected in its numerous museums, including the Chiang Mai City Arts and Cultural Center. The annual Songkran Festival, marking the Thai New Year, turns the streets of Chiang Mai into a massive water fight, attracting thousands of participants. Chiang Mai boasts a tropical savanna climate, with a distinct rainy season from May to October, making the landscape lush and vibrant during this time. The city is well known for its local markets, such as Warawat Market, where visitors can experience authentic Thai culture and cuisine. Chiang Mai's location in the mountains gives it a cooler climate compared to other parts of Thailand, especially during the winter months. The city is part of a UNESCO Creative City of Crafts and Folk Art, recognizing its commitment to preserving traditional crafts. Chiang Mai has a diverse population, including Thai, Chinese, and indigenous groups, contributing to its rich cultural tapestry. The city offers various cooking classes, allowing visitors to learn about Thai cuisine and prepare traditional dishes. Chiang Mai is also known for its vibrant art scene, with many galleries showcasing local artists and contemporary works. The city is surrounded by several national parks, including Doi Inthanon National Park, which is home to Thailand's highest peak. Chiang Mai's architecture reflects its rich history, with influences from Lanna, Burmese, and colonial styles. The city has a thriving music scene, with live performances ranging from traditional Thai music to modern genres in various venues. Chiang Mai's population is approximately 130,000, but the metropolitan area has over 1 million residents, making it the largest city in northern Thailand. The city is a popular base for exploring the surrounding hill tribes, each with their unique customs, clothing, and traditions. Chiang Mai is known for its vibrant street art, with many murals adorning buildings throughout the city, showcasing local talent and creativity. The city has a significant expat community, drawn by its affordable cost of living and high quality of life. Chiang Mai's universities, such as Chiang Mai University, attract students from all over Thailand and abroad, contributing to its youthful energy. The local transportation system includes tuk-tuks, songthos, shared taxis, and rental scooters, making it easy for visitors to navigate the city. Chiang Mai has an active nightlife scene, with bars, clubs, and live music venues catering to a diverse crowd. The city is famous for its traditional festivals, including the Flower Festival, where stunning floral displays fill the streets. Chiang Mai's agricultural surroundings produce a variety of fresh fruits and vegetables, including strawberries, avocados, and tomatoes. The city is also known for its traditional Lana architecture, characterized by wooden structures with intricate carvings. Chiang Mai has a unique tradition of monk chats, where visitors can engage in conversations with monks to learn about Buddhism and local culture. The city's history as a trading hub is reflected in its diverse food offerings, influenced by neighboring countries like Myanmar and Laos. Chiang Mai's markets offer an array of local delicacies, including Thai sausages, mango sticky rice, and deep-fried insects for the adventurous eater. The city is home to several art and craft fairs throughout the year, promoting local artisans and their work. Chiang Mai is an important center for traditional Thai medicine and herbal remedies, with many practitioners offering their services. The city has a strong commitment to sustainability, with initiatives promoting eco-friendly practices and conservation efforts. Chiang Mai's geographical location makes it a gateway for travelers heading to the scenic areas of northern Thailand, including Pai and Chiang Rai. The city's diverse religious practices include Buddhism, Hinduism, and animism, reflecting the beliefs of its various ethnic groups. Chiang Mai's local crafts include intricate wood carvings, handmade textiles, and traditional pottery techniques passed down through generations.